while example 5. We don't need to read any number, we just need to create those boxes. The first one is total sum. The neutral value in addition is 0. So when we create an empty box to hold your total sum values, you need to initialize it with 0. Then we have our counter that is initialized by 5 because we are counting from 5 to 500, both inclusive. Then we can enter the while counter is less than equal 500, again because we are counting up to 500, 500 inclusive. Inside the counter we need to update total sum with whatever was the content of total sum plus the counter of plus the value of counter, and then we add 1 to counter. So remember this operation, counter plus plus. So this basically means the same thing, counter assigned by counter plus 1. So it's exactly the same as in here. For short, we'd say counter plus plus. That means add 1 to the counter, to that counter variable. And we keep repeating this until counter becomes 501. Then we exit the loop. After the loop, remember we're going back the indentation to the same level of while to say that, hey, the while block is finished now. This code doesn't go inside the while block anymore. Then we just print total sum. Let's test. Counter plus plus. Doesn't it work? Well, it's syntax. Oh, sorry. That was it. That's when you mix up Java and C# with Python. So that's basically the result. And we can make it a little bit nicer. We can say, for example, the total sum of 5 to 500 is then total sum. And that's your code.